Welcome to Commission Reviews. We are thrilled to have you as part of our community. Our goal is to provide you with valuable information and resources to help you make money online. We understand that making money online can be overwhelming, but with the right tools and knowledge, it's possible to achieve financial success. On this channel, you'll find a variety of content including in-depth reviews of affiliate marketing programs, tips and tricks for monetizing your blog or website, and information on how to make money through online marketplaces and platforms. We'll also be sharing success stories from our community members and providing resources to help you get started on your own online business journey. Our team is dedicated to providing you with accurate and up-to-date information to help you make informed decisions about how to earn money online. We'll be sharing tips and strategies for making money through various online platforms, and we'll be providing reviews of different products and services that can help you achieve your financial goals. So join us on this journey and let's make money online together. Start a blog or website and monetize it through affiliate marketing and advertising. Starting a blog or website is a great way to earn money online. By creating high-quality content and building a large audience, you can monetize your website through affiliate marketing and advertising. Affiliate marketing is when you promote a product or service and earn a commission on any sales made through your unique referral link. Advertising is when you sell ad space on your website to businesses. Both of these methods can be very profitable if you have a sizable audience. Sell products or services online. If you have a talent or skill that others are willing to pay for, you can make money online by selling products or services. For example, if you're a graphic designer, you can sell digital art and templates on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market. If you're a writer, you can offer freelance writing services on platforms like Upwork. If you're a developer, you can create and sell digital products like apps or software on platforms like the Apple App Store or Google Play. Invest in stocks and cryptocurrency. Investing in the stock market and cryptocurrency can be a great way to earn passive income and potentially make a large return on your investment. However, it's important to understand that there is risk involved, and it's crucial to do your own research and invest only what you can afford to lose. There are various platforms like Robinhood, E-Trade, and TD Ameritrade to buy stocks and cryptocurrency. Be a virtual assistant. Being a virtual assistant is a great way to make money online if you have strong organizational skills and experience working remotely. A virtual assistant is someone who provides administrative, technical or creative assistance to clients remotely. You can find virtual assistant jobs on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer and Fiverr. Create and sell online courses. If you have expertise in a particular subject, consider creating an online course and selling it to others who are looking to learn. Online courses can be created in various formats such as video, audio, or text. You can use platforms like Udemy or Coursera to host your course and reach a larger audience. Do freelance work. There are countless ways to make money freelancing, from writing and editing to web design and programming. You can find freelance work on platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Freelancing gives you the flexibility to choose the projects you want to work on and set your own rates. Earn money from online surveys and focus groups. Online surveys and focus groups are a great way to make money in your spare time. Many companies and research firms are willing to pay for your opinions and feedback on products and services. You can sign up for survey sites like Survey Junkie, Toluna, and Swagbucks to start earning money today. Keep in mind that the amount you earn from online surveys and focus groups may not be significant, but it's a great way to earn extra cash in your spare time. Thanks for tuning in to Commission Reviews. We hope you found the information and resources shared in this article to be helpful and informative. Remember, making money online takes time, effort and patience. It's important to be realistic about your expectations and to understand that there is no get-rich-quick solution. However, with the right mindset and the right tools, it's possible to earn a significant income online. We encourage you to take action and start implementing the strategies we've shared in this article. If you have any questions or need additional support, don't hesitate to reach out to our team. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to follow us on our social media platforms to stay updated on the latest money-making strategies and opportunities. We look forward to connecting with you and seeing your success stories. Thanks again for tuning in, and until next time, happy earning.